Hi, hello, this is Ford EcoSport and today I'm going to demonstrate how to change the wiper blades. I have purchased Bosch Clear Advantage. The size for the EcoSport is 22 in the driver side and 16 in the passenger side. So advantage of this frameless blades are it is efficient towards wiping off the water, much more efficient than the stock one, and it's little expensive. For me it costed around 600 rupees for this pair. Let me demonstrate how to remove the blades. All that you need to do is there's a small uh, clip here. You need to press this inside and you need to pull it down like this. And it will come out. Same goes to the passenger side. Just press the clip and push it down. This is stock blades. Now let me open the Bosch. You can see the Bosch blades are premium in nature and it's rimless, it's lightweight. So to fix it, open this cap. So once after you install, just close the cap and lock it and you should be ready. Same goes to the passenger side. Now let's check the performance. You can see how clear it is even at high speed. And thank you for watching.